In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Tor and access the deep web in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch a Tor-powered window in Brave and what to expect while you use it, so you can browse with more privacy and intention. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure it's the regular Brave app you use for everyday browsing. If it's been a while since you last used it, give it a moment to load completely so everything in the interface is visible. You don't need any extra downloads here. Brave includes Tor support out of the box. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is your main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click it to reveal a list of options. If your window is small, you might see only icons, so hover briefly until the label appears. This menu is where Brave tucks away useful tools, including its Tor feature. From that menu, select New Private Window with Tor. As soon as you click it, Brave opens a new window that looks a bit different from your normal one, and it begins connecting to the Tor network behind the scenes. Give it a moment. Tor routes your traffic through multiple relays for privacy, so the first connection can take a few seconds. Once connected, you're browsing through Tor in this window only. Your regular Brave windows stay on your normal internet connection. A quick bit of context while it connects. Tor helps obscure your IP address and makes your traffic harder to trace. The deep web simply refers to content not indexed by search engines, things like private portals and databases. Some parts of the dark web, which use .onion addresses, also rely on Tor. Accessing these isn't inherently illegal, but what you do there must always follow the law and site policies. While you're in the Tor window, expect pages to load slower than usual. That's normal, and it's the trade-off for added privacy. To keep your session more private, avoid logging into personal accounts or sharing identifying details. Consider leaving extensions off in Tor windows, and keep Brave updated for the latest security fixes. If a site asks you to go full screen or turn on unusual permissions, think twice. Minimizing your digital fingerprints is part of staying private. When you're finished, close the Tor window to end the session. That's all it takes. Open Brave, click the menu, and choose New Private Window with Tor. Simple, effective, and built right into your browser.